Hey everybody, how you doing? My name is Jay Dinsmore. I'm the CEO of Dinsmore 3D Printing and Additive Manufacturing. I'm super excited to be at our first major trade show of the year, MD&M West in Anaheim.
A lot of our customers are going to be there, so if you happen to be around, definitely stop by. We're going to show you the latest and greatest in 3D printing, show you guys a new upgrade in our PolyJet technology where we can actually mimic skin, organs, parts.
What that does is that allows us to have more lifelike tissue and anatomy of the human body, which allows the surgeons to perform mock surgeries that will show the better result of the end use of what they're trying to do. What's really exciting is the fact of what we're going to be showcasing there that you're going to be able to see and touch and feel, and it's all about education really is what it comes down to. What is the latest and greatest in medical technology for 3D printing and additive manufacturing? And MDM West is a great place to showcase that because it's the world's largest medical design and manufacturing event, and it's right here in our backyard.
We're going to be showcasing production materials in FDM, SLA, carbon DLS, MJF, and PolyJet.
We have the ability now to be in production in days and not weeks or months with traditional manufacturing methods.
I just had a medical device company come to us basically looking for a solution of how to get to production using 3D printing additive manufacturing. We had a meeting at Dinsmore. We identified a material that works for their project. It happened to be a ISO certified biocompatible white material that's done in our DLS technology. We helped them get from concept to design, prototype development, iterations, all the way to production and deliverables, all within 2.5 months. That was a game changer for their company, and now they've basically taken this material and found other projects where they can use this material as well, and it leapfrogged into getting to production using additive really quickly. So these are some of the things that we'd love to have you stop by and talk about while you're at MD&M West.
When I first started 25 years ago, what we would do in 6 months, a year, 2 years, we're now doing that in 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. And the compression of that product development cycle to get into production is so critically important. And we understand that here at Dinsmore. We strive to compress that product development cycle for our medical device clients. And we understand the pressure that the teams that are working on these programs are under. And that's why you want to partner with Dinsmore. We are your partner. We move at lightning speed, not just for the prototyping and the R&D development, but we're now in production, and we can do that part of it very, very fast, and that's super exciting. And what allows us to do that now is these technologies are so advanced and the materials are so advanced that what you used to think that you would have to injection mold or do subtractive CNC machining, we don't have to do that anymore. We can make 1,000 of these parts in 2 days with medical certified materials, full CFCs, and get you moving in that direction. You have design changes, it's not a problem. We do those in hours, not in weeks or months. So that's why you want to partner with Dinsmore. Come check us out, MD&M West, booth 1872, Hall D, and we can talk about your next project.